Hello and welcome to the v3.co.uk weekly debrief. I'm Phil Muncaster and these are the top stories this week. Salesforce.com boss Mark Benioff has heralded the arrival of Cloud 2.0 at the launch of Chatter, a software-as-a-service collaboration tool. The service adds a Facebook-style format to other Salesforce applications and allows social networking between teams, departments or entire companies. Google has been forced to revisit the privacy settings on its Buzz social networking tool a second time after receiving an avalanche of complaints. Users will no longer find themselves automatically following particular accounts and will instead find a suggested list. A Buzz tab will be added to the Gmail settings tab so that users can hide Buzz from Gmail or disable it completely. And finally, Buzz will no longer automatically synchronize with users' Picasa web albums and Google Reader. However, there was more trouble for the web giant this week as the Electronic Privacy Information Center asked the US Federal Trade Commission to investigate the new social networking tool. The world's tech media descended on Barcelona this week for the annual Mobile World Congress event. Microsoft chief Steve Ballmer used a keynote to launch the latest version of the firm's mobile operating system, and this has been dubbed Windows Phone 7. The result is a complete redesign which does away with the old Windows Mobile look modelled on the PC interface. Users are instead presented with a scrollable set of icons and a multi-touch interface which is similar to the iPhone. Nokia and Intel announced the merger of their respective MIMO and Moblin Linux-based development platforms into a new offering called MeGo. Nokia and Intel said that the move will allow developers to write an application once and make it available for a wide variety of devices and to sell it through Nokia's Ovi store and the Intel's App SM Center. And finally, Microsoft has unveiled the UK prices for its forthcoming Office 2010 suite set to ship in June this year. Unlike earlier editions of Microsoft Office, there are only 3 versions that will be available via retail in the UK. Office Home and Student will cost $109.99, Office Home and Business is $239.99, and Office Professional will set you back $429.99. And that's all for this week. You can find out more on all of these stories and more at our website, v3.co.uk. Thanks for watching and see you next week.